Discover the most exciting IKEA fall arrivals designed to elevate your home in style. This curated 2025 collection features everything from cozy fall-inspired decor to artisanal kitchen essentials and practical furniture, all blending modern Scandinavian design with timeless elegance. And before we get started, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like so you don't miss out on the latest updates and home inspiration. The very first find is SÅGMÄSTARE cabinet. The SÅGMÄSTARE metal cabinet combines traditional style with soft, rounded shapes. Its turned legs and curved corners create a warm, welcoming look, while the embossed bifold doors add both charm and practicality. The open space underneath is enough to hold bigger boxes. With its convenient height, the top can also serve as a stylish display surface. Plus, the adjustable feet ensure stability even on uneven floors. Next is SÅGMÄSTARE shelf unit. The SÅGMÄSTARE metal shelving unit blends traditional style with soft, rounded shapes. Its turned legs and curved corners give it a welcoming look, while the open shelves can be filled with boxes to create personalized storage. The generous space underneath fits larger boxes. Its height also allows the top surface to double as a display area for your favorite items. For added practicality, the adjustable feet keep the unit stable even on uneven floors. Next is HÖSTAGILLE serving bowl. Whether it's fruit, snacks, or a fresh salad, this light beige serving bowl with autumn-colored dots is as versatile as it is decorative. The raised foot design not only adds charm but also saves space on the table, making it perfect as a centerpiece. Ideal for serving vegetables, fruit, or treats, it also works beautifully as a decorative accent. Next is HÖSTAGILLE decoration mousse. This wooden decoration is majestic and available in 2 sizes and color. Crafted from solid pine with soft polyester felt antlers, it makes a charming companion during dark autumn evenings, or any time of year. Beautiful on its own or paired with the smaller version featuring orange-stained pine and yellow antlers, it adds character to any space. The untreated wood looks lovely as is, but you can also oil, wax, glaze, or paint it for a personal touch. Next is HÖSTAGILLE artificial wreath. This autumn-colored decorative wreath instantly adds warmth and coziness to your home. Hang it on the wall, front door, or in a window, or place it at the center of your dining table for an inviting touch. Made primarily from recycled plastic, it looks so natural you'll almost believe it's real. And it stays fresh-looking year after year. Next is HÖSTAGILLE candle dish. With this shiny candle dish, you can design beautiful arrangements that bring charm to your home. Combine candles with stones, fill it with seasonal decorations, or simply let it shine as a stylish display piece. The reflective surface enhances the look by creating decorative reflections, while soft plastic feet underneath keep the dish firmly in place without scratching surfaces. Next is HÖSTAGILLE decoration pumpkin. Pumpkins in various shapes and colors are a true symbol of autumn, and this set of 5 decorative pieces brings that seasonal charm to your home year after year. Perfect for adding a festive touch to your dining table during seasonal gatherings, they look just as beautiful arranged together as they do displayed individually. A simple yet eye-catching way to create the perfect autumn atmosphere. Next is HÖSTAGILLE decorative bowl with lid. Pumpkins in every shape and color are a hallmark of autumn, and this brown glass bowl with a lid captures that seasonal charm. Perfect for storing small items or jewelry, it's just as decorative on its own as when filled. The lid not only completes the look but also helps keep dust and insects away from the contents, making it both practical and beautiful. MÄVINN cushion cover. This hand-woven cushion cover combines pink and orange stripes with a blue lower section and delicate hand embroidery, blending modern design with traditional craftsmanship. The cover offers 2 looks in one: an embroidered front for extra detail and a plain back for a simpler style, letting you switch depending on your mood. Made from soft, durable cotton, it's machine washable and easy to care for. The next is MÄVINN throw. This hand-woven throw features vertical orange stripes on a pink or blue background, finished with playful hand-tied tassels on the short sides. Soft, colorful, and lightweight, it's perfect for cozying up on the sofa, taking a nap, or bringing along while traveling. Made from durable, easy-care cotton, it's suitable for both warm and cool climates, and can be machine-washed for convenience. Its versatile colors make it easy to pair with other cushions or throws. The next is MULLSJÖ swivel chair. This chair strikes the perfect balance of comfort, style, and functionality, ideal for modern living. With sleek lines, a sturdy steel frame, and generous padding in both the seat and backrest, it offers excellent support whether you're working at your desk or relaxing. The curved armrests help you maintain a comfortable sitting position, while the height is easily adjustable with a button under the seat. The removable, washable cover makes cleaning simple. The next is Alex drawer unit on casters. With its clean design, this unit is easy to love and simple to mix with different styles, whether used to support a desk or as a standalone piece. Finished on all sides, it looks just as good in the center of the room as against a wall. The drawers are equipped with stops to prevent them from being pulled out too far, adding both safety and convenience. The next is RUDSTA glass door cabinet. This glass door cabinet offers double the display possibilities. Arrange your favorite items on the shelves while using magnets on the back panel to showcase photos, drawings, and other cherished memories. It's designed with cable management in mind, so adding integrated lighting is simple. And for extra security, you can lock it with a standard padlock. Thanks to adjustable feet, the cabinet stays steady even on uneven floors. The next is MÄVINN bread basket. This hand-embroidered basket, crafted from natural jute fibers in contrasting black and white, is both decorative and practical. Approved for food contact, it's perfect as a bread basket or for storing keys, jewelry, and other small accessories. Place it on a table or shelf as a stylish accent, while enjoying the durability and natural color variations of recyclable jute. The next is HÖSTAGILLE tablecloth. With crisscrossed stripes in soft beige tones, this tablecloth adds a subtle, neutral frame to your dining table, pairing beautifully with white, colorful, or patterned tableware. Woven from 100% cotton, it fits tables that seat 4 to 6 people and offers a timeless look that works for both everyday meals and festive gatherings. Not only does it protect your table, but it also helps create a warm, inviting atmosphere. That's a wrap for today's new IKEA finds. Did you spot a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching and staying with me until the very end. See you next time.